I bet you didn't know the Google Pixel 9a's unboxing videos are already out. Let's dive in. So, what's inside the box? Pretty standard stuff: a SIM tool, a USB-C cable, and some documentation. Now let's talk design. The Iris Purple variant features a sleek matte finish on both the back and side rails. Under the hood, we've got the Tensor G4 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM. One thing to note, the Pixel 9a uses the Exynos 5300 modem, which is a slight step down from the Exynos 5400 in other Pixel 9 devices. But don't worry, it still packs a punch. Early reviews also show off some impressive benchmark scores and smooth gameplay in PUBG Mobile. And the camera? The samples look stunning. The Pixel 9a is expected to be unveiled on March 19, 2025. Stay tuned for the official release, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.